mobility. Then, upon radiographic examination, there was a radiolucent lesion at the left upper area. Then, past medical history is not applicable. And so these are our findings. So, we had so left upper molar gingiva, left upper molar area. So if ever we check for the maxillary, if ever this is like the maxillary sinus area. So we had a difficult time looking for the radiolucent lesion. So we're not sure if this is the lesion, this really big circle. So but for us, there's also slight swelling and no pain, and there is no nasal obstruction, but there is post-nasal discharge. So maybe for us, our differential diagnosis are maybe inside the sinus, there's a periapical cyst, or there's chronic apical abscess or acute apical abscess, but